How to install and enable Gboard, Google Keyboard, on Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. If you're not a fan of the default Samsung keyboard and want to switch to Gboard, Google's popular keyboard app, I'll show you how to install and enable it on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone to download Gboard app. Tap the search bar at the bottom middle and type Gboard in the search bar. When Gboard, Google Keyboard appears in the search results, tap on it and then tap the Install button. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. Gboard will guide you through the setup process. Tap Enable in Settings. Open the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Keyboard. Tap Default Keyboard. You can see Set Samsung Keyboard is the default keyboard. You can't see Gboard option until enable it. Go back and toggle on Gboard option and tap OK. Now, go to Default Keyboard and select Gboard from the list of available keyboards. That's it. Gboard is now set as the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy device. To test it, open any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes. When the keyboard appears, you'll see Gboard instead of the Samsung keyboard. And that's how you can install, enable, and set Gboard as your default keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Ultra, or any recent Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Thanks for watching.